Every empire falls the exact same way when convenience replaces conviction. The fix isn't deleting apps, it's restoring values. We need moral infrastructure that's stronger than these 5 and 6G Wi-Fi signals. Integrity, empathy, accountability, those are ancient codes, sacred codes that built civilizations that lasted. Technology didn't corrupt us, it exposed our ass. It showed what happens when humanity loses its hierarchy of priorities. So, rebuild as it's happening now correctly. Use your platform. Use it as proof of principle, not proof of ego. Let your authenticity trend louder than your aesthetics. That's how you collapse the collapse. You refortify a structure that is birthed out of the ashes of its demise, remembering who you are. So, as we heal with each other, ask yourself, are you helping shape, rebirth a new culture, a new world, or just streaming the collapse?